Naishu, which bike do you like? Which bike do you like, Naishu? This one or that one? This or that? Alright, what's up guys? Say how Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm super excited because we have a new member in the family. Naishu, how is my new bike? How is my new bike, Naishu? See, she knows. New bike. Oh yes, I have to get a cover for this. There are a lot of cats and all that. So temporarily for now I covered with Indian Jugaad. And I'm thinking what to call my bike. This one, it is the dark horse, the tiger. This will be the big daddy. I think this is going to be the husband. That is going to be the wife. Because look at the size. It is literally half of this. Naishu, which bike do you like? Which bike do you like, Naishu? This one or that one? This or that? You like this bike? Oh, you like the tiger? Comments may tell me what should I name the street twin. Okay, all that aside, first I didn't have my breakfast. Let me go and have my breakfast. But before breakfast, what I just gulped in was apple cider vinegar. Every day 20 to 30 minutes prior to breakfast I have a glass. You have to dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water. It should be very diluted. You and me, we really think we eat really healthy food, and actually we do that, but then the problem is there is something called probiotics in your digestive system. If your digestive system is not up to the mark, then it's not going to absorb the nutrients from the food. This is where apple cider vinegar helps. It helps your body increase the probiotic health. Apart from this probiotics, weight loss happens. It is not a magic liquid where it goes and removes the fat just like that without workout. That's not going to happen. You have to work hard. What it does is it gives you that satiating feeling so that you don't feel really hungry all the time and keep on eating calories. This is something when you consume, but there are external benefits as well, which means you can use apple cider vinegar to treat your skin, to treat dandruff as well. All you have to do is take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and exactly 1 tablespoon of water, equal portions, mix them properly, and then take a cotton and dab it on the pimples. And when the pimple is just about to grow, in the beginning stage itself, apply it on it. You can see it work. And then the other benefit, treating dandruff. Same thing, take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and take 1 tablespoon of water. Apply it on the scalp. Make sure you're not dampening your whole hair, directly on the scalp, because it is acidic in nature. It's gonna kill the fungus, and you guys know that dandruff is nothing but a fungus. I've been using organic apple cider vinegar from Wow. It is a really good product. You can go and check on Amazon. It's got more than 4.2 rating with 10,000 plus ratings. And once again, as you guys know, Wow products are all natural. It's a proper organic product, and I don't think I need to mention that Wow is a truly Indian made product. And now they also introduced the Wow app. From there you can place your orders, you can research more about their products. It is very easy to navigate through the app. There's a link in the description in case you're interested to buy any of the Wow products. Also, most of the Wow products have this QR code. You can scan this QR code and determine the authenticity of the product. You can get reward points for every scan, which you can redeem in the next purchase. Chalo, now that I'm done with my first routine of the day, I'll have my breakfast and then we'll have to do the puja for the bike. New bike, Indian insurance is very important. Oh yes, finally the sun is out. Clear skies I can see after literally a week. Beautiful, which means today we can go for a quick breakfast ride, an evening ride. Super excited to take the street twin out today. Only thing is there's a lot of construction going on, the road construction, which keeps happening forever and ever. So even if I can manage to go from here, there the road is not good. Last night I had like a very hard time to get the bike inside. Naishu, wait. I had to remove all these poles. Come from Samne ka ghar. No. Anyways, we're gonna do the puja now for the new bike. Yesterday we didn't do it because temples are closed. Actually, temples are open, but then purohits are not there. So I thought I'll get the bike home and mom will do the puja. Mom and Pooja are there. Pooja will do the puja. Nothing, we'll be doing some basic puja, we'll be putting some lemons, Indian insurance, and mom will do some mantras and all that. Man, it's so nice. My garage looks so nice right now. Later the cars will be coming here. I'm planning to actually make a small garage here, only for the bikes. In this area I'm planning to put some shed, and I'll be putting both of the bikes here. And future, if I get a super sport, not sure, at least 2 to 3 years later, then I'll be parking 3 bikes there. It's gonna look amazing. Keys are a little bit different compared to the Dark Horse. The Dark Horse keys like this. Classics get a silver badge like this. And they gave me a nice leather keychain, which looks amazing. Finally, Pooja is here. Pooja is gonna do the puja.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Puja then basic puja. Amme vastunnava? I'm thinking what to name that bike. This is a Dark Horse.
That's a grey bike, so grey horse. I'm sorry, I'm bad at this. Bad.
Did you people hear what she said? I should call it the grey horse kathe because it's grey.
I don't know about biking terms.
Okay, this is one bike which looks really nice when you wear shorts on it. You come sit here on the grey horse. That's what Pooja said. Because it's grey, it's grey horse cut.
मुझे क्या पता तेरा biking terms? I'm sorry, I don't know. She's so happy. You should take the expression. Naishu, bike. What is this?
New bike. She likes the Tiger only, it seems. I asked her which bike do you like, but oh, she's showing
अभी
that.
नया है ना. Wait for some days. She'll be fine. Naishu, see? I'm sure she'll play. What is this? She'll play with it. Naishu. क्या है बेबी ये? क्या है? अरे मारो मत ऐसे. Okay, बस आ जाओ. You'll have scratches soon.
Actually, Srijan did not come for the delivery, right? So he said he'll come and meet me now at home for lunch. Dad is yet to ride this bike. I think Dad can ride this bike much easier than that one because that is too tall. When I got it home first time he rode it, but he felt that it is like really tall. This height is perfect. So actually Dad will also be riding this bike a lot. So actually Dad can do the puja for this. How does he look?
Awesome. Dad is all ready to look like a biker.
Okay, this is not his first test ride. That will be doing later with a proper GoPro setup. For now, just for the puja from here till the gate. Kill switch on. This is accelerator just away. Yeah. That's it, puja done. ఏమన్నా మంత్రాలు చదువుతావా అయిపోయిందా అంతేనా okay, that's it, puja is done. ఓం భూర్భువస్సుః భర్గో దేవస్య ధీమహి ధియో యో నః ప్రచోదయాత్. I played online. Oh, actually we can do that. YouTube pe you will have a lot of that's what we did for Charan's car. We went to the temple, we played YouTube video of Vahana Puja.
हम भी करेंगे ना?
Yeah, we can do. He's just taking test rides here to check out the weight and all that. Later we'll go for a proper ride outside. Me on the Tiger, Dad will be riding the street wheel. That's gonna be really interesting. I'll be taking the Tiger and going. Dad will come with the street wheel.
Awesome.
We'll do a small breakfast ride.
Nice, go now.
అంకుల్ ఆ కీస్ మీ దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి, మీకే ఎక్కువ సెట్ అయింది.
అవునా?
మస్తు సూట్ అయింది మీకు.
పంపించిందా ఏంది?
క్రేజీ ఉంది అది.
కథమా? అయిపోయి.
అసలు
సూట్ అయిందాను, నాకన్నా ఎక్కువ సూట్ అయిందాను.
వద్దురా రే. అంకుల్ ఎట్లా ఉండే తెలుసా, జమీన్ ఆస్మాన్ ఫరక్ ఉంది.
ఓవర్ యాక్షన్.
అంటే ఫుడ్ పెడుతున్నారు కదా కొంచెం పొగడాలని.
ఇప్పుడు నేను మన పక్కకి మాట్లాడు.
యాక్చువల్లీ బాగుంది.
So how is it? Stupid fellow, you didn't come for the delivery. Genuinely tell me, did you come to see the bite? Did you come to see me? Did you come to eat the chicken?
చికెన్ అండ్ బైక్. అరే రాసిరారా, బాగుందిరా.
Actually, no one put fingerprints yesterday.
Yeah.
How come? We forgot. Now keys this.
అవునా?
9 ఇది 9.5 ఇది ఆన్ రోడ్. 9.5 కదా ఆన్ రోడ్.
8.97.
ఎలా ఉందిరా?
And that's stock exhaust.
ఫ్యాన్స్ అక్కర్లే.
Yeah, I don't put vans.
బాగుంటారు అందరూ.
ఇంతకీ చూసావా సినిమా?
Yes.
ఎలా ఉంది?
Edwin wants me to see that movie called
Businessman.
Finally, I've seen it after he told me like 10 times. 10 ఏంటి ఇక్కడ కలిసిన ప్రతిసారి బిజినెస్ మ్యాన్ చూసా, ఇప్పుడు కూడా అదే అడుగుతున్నాడు.
తెలీదురా, చూడమంటారు కానీ.
టుడే now also is asking me that. Yes, I've seen it.
Did you like it?
మన డైలాగ్ లాగానే ఉన్నాయి అన్ని.
కదా అందుకే చూడమని.
చాలా కనెక్ట్ అవుతాం.
చూడలే కదా.
చూసి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కూడా పంపించేవాడికి. Okay, now Srijan has come to eat chicken. Meanwhile, by the time he finishes eating the chicken,
Watch this time.
watch this time lapse. Oh, but how come you got the Ducati? దీని బ్యాటరీ ఉందా? ట్రక్షన్ బ్యాటరీ వేయించారా?
నేను ఆఫ్రికా తీసాను.
From the time they bought this did not cross AP, Telangana. Right?
ఈరోజు తీసుకెళ్దామా
ఎక్కడికి?
అన్ని కూడా
We can go for a ride today.
అవును ఎక్కడికి?
That is a plan actually. After having lunch, we'll go for a ride.
పోయినావు కదా?
ఒక నిమిషం, నువ్వు రా ఫస్ట్.
నేను వస్తారా? వెళ్దామా ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళిపోదాం.
వెళ్దాం, వస్తావా?
వెళ్దాం పద.
నీ జాబ్
పోనీ అన్ని పోనీ పోదాం పోదాం.
నేను దీనిపైన వస్తా.
పర్లేదు పద. నేను దానిపైన వస్తా.
నేను వదిలేస్తారా జాబ్? సరేనా? హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది ఎప్పుడు. మీరే నన్ను ఆదుకోండి చందాయిలు వేసుకుని.
ఇప్పుడు
Actually, you want to sanitize? She wants to sanitize.
అనుకున్నా కొట్టాల్సిరా, అది తెలిసారా? ఏది సోపు,
That is swim liquid.
అంటే మా ఇంట్లో సంతూర్ సోప్ కూడా అట్లా ఉంటుంది రా. సంతూర్ హ్యాండ్ వాష్ ఇది.
వద్దు దొరికినావు కెమెరాలో గలీజ్గా. నువ్వు స్నానమే చేయవు, నువ్వు పెద్ద ఏంద్రా ఇప్పుడు హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చేస్తున్నావు.
కెమెరాలో నిజం చెప్పు.
స్నానం చేయలే చేసావా?
ఆడు చేయలేదు.
వాడు కొత్త ఏముందిరా? Okay, finally, after lazing around for almost 2 hours, 3 hours,
2 hours ఏంద్రా?
2 hours, this
4
fellow,
hours.
4
6
hours,
అవుతుంది.
from 2 o'clock till 6 o'clock, 4 hours. Especially this fellow, he doesn't want to get up only. You had to drag him out.
I was watching race.
He was watching Formula 1 and he wants a ram mount on his bike now so that he can continue watching the race
I can at least listen.
while riding.
But listen.
While riding, Mali driver.
Senna is there, no?
Anyways, we have so many options to ride now. Should I ride the Ducati? Tiger, a little bit rest. Abhi. We have the ADV 390. We have the Duke 390 with new tires, free tires. And we have the new Bahu Garkha. అంటే ఇది అమ్మాయి రా, అది టైగర్ ఇది అబ్బాయి.
అంటే ఇక
The new street
చెల్లని
twin.
చెప్పరా పోనీ.
No. Husband, wife. From now onwards, for a couple of days, I'm gonna ride the street twin only, wherever I go. Nice.
అరే
Premium finish.
మాన్
మ్యాట్.
కుక్కట్పల్లి నేను నడుపుకుంటా.
నడుపుకో.
సమ్మగా ఉంటుందా?
Anyway, Suju, you're out of Triumph, right? Oh, you have 2 trams, sorry. Okay, anyways, we're going to have some coffee somewhere, I think mostly driven. Tiger, Mr. Dark Horse. You relax for some days, you've been taking me all over India. For now, relax, okay? Alright, generator apra. First ride from my house, officially, like properly. Oh. అరే 6 PM కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ 6 అయిందా? ఓ పర్ఫెక్ట్ 6 అగో స్టార్ట్ చేసింది చాటింగ్. వామో ఇలాంటివే కష్టం. I don't know when are they gonna complete this road. Actually, they wanted to complete this road much earlier, but then it started raining here, so can't really say it's their fault. I'll have fun there. These people can jump and go. I'll have to be very careful. Now I'll understand the problems of street bikes. All these days adventure touring pe full on maza kiya, but now it's gonna be tricky. Low ground clearance. Oh yes, last night all these poles were there, so I had to get my bike literally from this house पीछे plot में से to remove this pole and come inside like this, because that area there, that off-road you're seeing, everything was filled with proper water. నిశ్శబ్దం ఎంత భయంకరంగా ఉందో. లేదు భయంకరంగా లేదు, యాక్చువల్గా అది ఆన్ చేయరా, బోర్ కొడుతుంది. Come Suju, I'm so excited to start my bike and ride. You're wasting my time with your Sena. Okay, now is the tough part. Tough part కాదు కానీ I'm not used to this bike on such roads. My only worry is I'm gonna hit a bump or something. Last night already हुआ. गया मेरा टायर्स पूरा गया, गंदा हो गया. न्यू बाइक. ये मरसुनोरा. इसका हॉर्न इज लाइक प्रॉपर एक्टिवा हॉर्न. एक्टिवा हॉर्न इज बेटर एक्चुअली. I can feel every bump. Okay, obviously I'll be giving you proper ride reviews about this bike later. Right now we are just going to Driven, I guess, most probably, not sure, and then we'll be having dinner and coming back. For now, quickly I wanted to talk about the dash. Very simple dash, as you can see. It is just a speedometer and even if you want to see the RPM, you'll have to see the digital RPM. You see that? That's the digital RPM. But yeah, sound is amazing. Actually, I thought I'll get the Vans and Nines on this, but the sound is so good, and especially when you actually ride it, when you sit on the bike and feel it, it's really thumping. It's not just thumping, but it's very classy. And this is perfect for the city, especially if you're looking for a very slim. Look at this profile. It looks so slim. It's shorter than a scooty. You know that? Seriously. The seat height is shorter than a scooty by at least 10 mm. Horn to pakka needs to change. I'll be putting a blower horn. The sound is amazing, yeah. It's not as good as the Speed Twin. I'll tell you later in the next videos why didn't I get the Speed Twin over the Street Twin. There are a couple of reasons for that, and my prime purpose of having this bike is to ride in the city like this, go for small coffee break rides, or sometimes idli dosa rides and all that. Handling it is very easy. Like as you can see already, it's so cute and small, just like a KTM in your hand, and it's got heavy torque. Like you get 3000 RPM, you get almost 80 Nm torque, man. That's like insane. Right now, as you guys know, it is just 1 day old, just finished 40 kilometers as of now, so I have to do the run-in period and all that. I think first 1000 kilometers I have to be extra careful, but because I'll be riding it in the city, I don't know when I'm gonna clock the first 1000 kilometers, but I'm pretty sure I'll be taking it out for a quick spin night, actually a long ride, maybe 600 kilometers of a ride, so up and down maybe 1200 kilometers just to finish the 1000 kilometers run-in period, and then we can rip open the bike like properly. Anyways, this bike is not made for, you know, crazy speeds and all that. This is to enjoy the evening, enjoy a breakfast ride, enjoy a coffee ride, whatever you want to call it. Just enjoy that sound, feel it. That's how you need to enjoy this bike. Ride a Triumph Classic, not to ride like that. Okay. అంటే ఉన్నప్పుడే చెప్పొచ్చు కదా, లేనప్పుడే చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సుజు ఇస్ గోయింగ్. వేర్ ఈస్ హి గోయింగ్? హి ఇస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ సమ్ వర్క్. వి గోనా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ బైక్స్. హీ నీడ్స్ అ మోర్ నింబుల్ బైక్, ఇట్ సీమ్స్. ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ మోర్ నింబుల్ దెన్ ది 390 ADV. Oh, this is tall now. After sitting on that, this is tall now. Yeah, there is like hell lot of traffic today. They made this Durgam Cheru beautiful now. They put all lighting and all that, so I think a lot of people are going to see that. People want to go to the Durgam Cheru and click selfies. Okay, we should actually go that side, but then you can see the traffic there. Madness. Corona nahi hai, kuch nahi hai. And basically this is all for that Durgam Cheru suspension bridge. Cable suspension bridge as per Aditya's architectural terms. Mad traffic. Everyone wants a selfie there. But actually it is beautiful. They made it really well. Lighting and all that. One day we'll come in the night and show you properly. You see all that lasers? These are all coming literally from that flyover. Jai Telangana. Okay, finally here at Driven. Actually it should take us like half an hour, 40 minutes to come from my house till Driven, 30 kilometers, but it took us more than 1 hour. No, you know, you called me, right? We were exactly in Durgam Cheru. People wanted to see Durgam Cheru, the new suspension bridge. Traffic was like mad. Red line. Nijang ettuntadi. Seriously, man. That's what happens when you come to Driven. A lot of super bikes here. Actually, we want to go inside, but then a lot of public inside.
There is no place.
There's no place. Corona is not there in Hyderabad. Not at all there.
Durgam Cheru has a vaccine.
Durgam Cheru?
Has a vaccine now. All that water is vaccine. That's why everyone is there.
Go have Durgam Cheru ka pani, you'll be fine. No corona, nothing. Harley? Unfortunately, Harley is no more in India.
They are changing their
Harley shut shop completely.
No. All the dealerships are there.
Okay, so India manufacturing is shut.
Yeah,
CBO is there.
CBU is there.
Okay, so
So basically
clarification.
750 is shut down. There won't be any
Completely,
more.
no 750s.
750 is made only in India.
I never sat on a Harley. I don't know why.
I don't think so. This is 750.
Oh, yeah, this is not 750, I think. Let me sit on it, shoot. First time I'm sitting on a Harley. No, second time. First time.
ఇంతకీ డ్రివెన్ దా పర్సనల్ వెహికల్
Sound. Hey, my street man is here. I can hear the sound. Charan, how is the bike?
Good here. So the brakes are 20-30% better.
Front brake is special. Okay, we came to this place, Funnel Hill, because there is too much of crowd in Driven. But actually here also we can see a lot of crowd. Because there was a lot of crowd in Driven, we came here. There we I see a lot of crowd. I just ordered some double shot cappuccino.
Espresso.
Double shot espresso without sugar. Shiva wants to try it.
I like coffee, but today I'm the lab rat.
Lab rat.
వైడ్ యాంగిల్ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయనా
ఎట్లా అవుతారా ఇది
And we have a subscriber here. What's your name? Nikhil from Funnel Hill Creamery. While going, we'll click pictures. Okay. And by the way, tomorrow is my dad's birthday, so I'll have to go get a cake for him. Adi marchipoya ante Pooja will kill me. Let me go get cake. You wanna come? Okay, we met a lot of subscribers here. What is your name? Suraj. Your name? 4 more subscribers here. Nice meeting you guys. So this is the reason I don't want to come to such amazing places. These people are having... What is that?
ఏమోరా
Shiva needs only sugar. Doesn't matter what it
ఏంటో
is.
ఉంది పైన షుగర్ అయితే ఉంది
We'll be enjoying with this. But actually, it is nice now. It's amazing now. Okay, now switching the bike again. Oh, look at the gang here. That is Deep. Deep, किसका bike है? अच्छा, उसका friend का bike है. R15 Adventure 390 Duke हमारा बाहुबली on his green beast BMW 850 GS, and I am riding the BMW 1250 GS. Srujan took my bike and went. And हम चलाएंगे the BMW 1250 GS, the king of adventures. Oh, that is ZX-10R roaring. Whoa. Shit, man. That was scary. Fishtail.